Namaskar everyone. Welcome back to aptitude class. So let's move to our class. Let's see what we are going to do today. In our previous class we have done this one, page number 8. Up to 8 we have finished. Chapter 2 we were doing, and now today just open page number 9, chapter 2, that is series only. And today we are going to learn alphanumeric series, means alphabet plus numbers are there. Okay, before this we have done letter series, and now today we are doing mixing up, alphabet bhi hai aur numbers bhi hai. Okay, so let's start. In alphanumeric series, letters and numbers और डिजिट टुगेदर आर प्लेस इन अ स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि अल्फ़ाबेट न्यूमरिक में अल्फ़ाबेट्स और नंबर्स दोनों को एक स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न में लिया गया है. वी हैव टू कंटिन्यू दिस पैटर्न एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट दे आर आस्किंग. ओके, अल्फ़ाबेट भी है, नंबर्स भी है. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज देयर आस्किंग. टिक फ्रॉम द आंसर सेट विच कम्स नेक्स्ट. आंसर्स आर गिवन ओवर हियर. वी हैव टू टिक इन द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. So let's see number 1. A 98, B 87, C 76, D 65. Okay, let's check first alphabet. पहले हम alphabet check करेंगे. A B C D. It is in the sequence only. A B C D. Next will be E. So F तो नहीं होगा sure. E. Now in this we have to find which one. This there are two E. So now we will check numbers. See. 98. Let's all the different, they both are different numbers, so let's see one only. First one 9 8 7 6. Okay, see they are going in sequence only. 9 8 7 6. Backward they are going na, backward sequence. 9 8 7 6 5. So what will be next? 5. See, it is here 4, it is 5. So this will be the answer. Now let's see the third also. It will get 8 7 6 5. The next will be 4. And this also they are going backward. 8 7 6 5 4. So it will be 54. E 54. This way you can find. पहले alphabet check करो, then second number and then third number. So you will get your answer. Now let's check this one, number 2. Let's see first alphabet. A, B skip C, D skip E, F skip G. So we will also skip H. It will be I. Okay, there are two I 66, I 55. But we got the confirmation कि H तो नहीं होगा, I होगा. Okay, तो इन दोनों में सब फाइंड करना है. Okay, let's see the numbers. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Next will be 5 5. That means I 5 5. Done. This will be your pattern. Now see number 3. K L M N. So next will be O. Sure. Okay. Now second alphabet है, यहाँ पे second alphabet ही है. Next हमारा O है. We know this. अब इन दोनों में से we have to find which is our right answer. Let's see the second alphabet. L M N O P. See, O P. Both are O P. Now let's check the number. 9 8 7 6 5. So this will be your answer. Okay. आप एक एक करके अगर चेक करोगे you will get easily your answer. Hope you can do rest for your homework. That is 4 to 8. Just see the pattern like this. You will get your answer. Now let's move to page number 10. So today we will finish our this chapter also. Again this is same topic, alphanumeric series 2. Now see, let's check the alphabet first. A B C skip D, E F skip G, H I J K L M N O P. So Q R, it will be S. T U, it will be V. We got this one. Now let's see numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's see last number. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This will be your next two numbers. Now 2. Check the alphabet. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. There is no skipping on this. Skip नहीं किया हुआ है. Now we will check second number. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It is 0 only. Now check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be your answer. Now let's check. Do this one. Give next 3 for each of the following. Check first alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now alphabet मैंने find कर दिया. Numbers आप find कर लेना. It will be easy for you. You can do it. Okay. Just check this one. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. This way you will do. So I'm not doing this for you. You will do yourself. Let's move to next. V, U, T, S, R. See, these are going backward. V came, but U, T, S, R. Then it will be Q, P, and O. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. You can do checking in this way. O, P, Q, R, S. So it is correct. Now numbers 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. So numbers you will write yourself. So let's move for next. So you will write number here. This is backward only. 15, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Now number 5. Fill in the boxes. I'll do one for you. Rest you will try yourself. Let's check the number first. 101, 202, 303. Next will be 404, 505, 606, 707, 808. Now let's see here. B, that is C. B की पहले C, D, E, F, G, H. What will be here? A, B, C, D. Got it? Similarly, you will do all this thing. 4, 6 to 10. So this will be your homework. So let's just recall these pages. What we have done today. We have done page number 9. 1, 2, 3 we have done classwork. Rest is your homework. And page number 10. 1 and 2 we have done. 3 and 4 we have done half. Half you have to complete. 5 we have done. Now rest is your homework. So just complete your work. Understand the concept very clearly. See the pattern. And see if you are getting difficult in counting alphabet backwise, just write down. I told you before, ABCD लिख लेना. तो backward ABCD count करने में आपको problem नहीं होगी. Okay. Just see the numbers. Numbers अगर पहले तो number check करो. Then alphabet. Okay. Alphabet है तो alphabet check करो. This way you can find the answer in an easy way. Okay. This all are logically you have to solve by sitting quietly and full concentrate on your work. Then only you can solve this aptitude. Okay. So till then, bye bye. Take care.